Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Srivastava and please watch this video till the end. Press the bell icon and subscribe me. Today we are going to do combination of error topic in chapter measurement of physics of class 11. So now we are going to start combination of errors. In this, the first topic is sum and difference. So first we will derive the formula for sum. If there are many quantities involved in the final result or the answer, then the errors can come or can be contributed by each quantity. So in dealing this, we have to find the formula how to deal with the many errors for created by the individual quantities. So if there are two quantities and x and y, and their limiting errors are plus minus delta x and plus minus delta y respectively, then we have to find the error, the net error, if both the quantities are added. Suppose z is the quantity which is the sum of the individual quantities x plus y. So this is our first equation. You all can see it on the board. Now applying the errors, so z plus minus delta z is equal to x plus minus delta x plus y plus minus delta y. So the expression becomes this. So now we can arrange it and write z plus minus delta z equal to x plus y plus delta x plus minus delta y. So now putting the value of x plus y from the equation first, we get z plus minus delta z is equal to z plus minus delta x plus minus delta y. So now here z cancels from both sides because of the same sign. So now you can see the expression becomes plus minus delta z equal to plus minus delta x plus minus delta y. Taking for the maximum error, taking the positive sign, so delta x is equal to delta z is equal to delta x plus delta y. So this is our final expression. If the two quantities are added, then it will be their errors will be the limiting errors will be added, and it will be the expression will become this delta z is equal to delta x plus delta y. So have you all understood about this? This is when the two quantities are added. Now we are going to do for the same two quantities, but now we are taking the difference. So I am rubbing the expression and writing for the difference. So the expression becomes z equal to x minus y. So here, if there is an error in the individual quantities, then it will be always, the errors will always be added whether the quantities are subtracted also. So now applying the errors, z plus minus delta z is equal to x plus minus delta y minus y plus minus delta y. Now arranging it, delta z is equal to x minus y plus minus delta x plus minus delta y. So now putting the value from the first equation, this is our first equation, the value of x minus y, so it becomes z plus minus delta x plus minus delta y. You all can see this. This is the z plus minus delta z is equal to z plus minus minus plus delta y. Z and z cancels because of the same sign from both sides. So we are left with plus minus delta z equal to plus minus delta x plus minus delta y. For the maximum error, we are taking only the positive sign. So delta z becomes equal to delta x plus delta y. So this is our final expression or the formula. When the two quantities are subtracted, then also their errors will be added. So these are the formulas for the sum and difference. Now we have to find the formula for product and quotient. So I am rubbing the board. So first we will find for the product. If the two quantities are multiplied, so product. So in product, suppose z is a quantity which is the multiplication of x and y. So this is our first equation. Now the limiting errors are plus minus delta x and plus minus delta y. So the expression becomes z is equal to z plus minus delta z equal to x plus minus delta x and y plus minus delta y. So this is our expression. So now for simplification, we are taking x and y common from the right hand side, taking x common from the first bracket, so it becomes 1 plus minus delta x upon x. Taking y common, you can all see from the second expression, so 1 plus minus delta y upon y. So this is our expression. We have taken x common from the first bracket and y common from the second bracket. So we have to divide by x and y. So putting the value of x, y from the first equation. So x into y, it will become z from the first equation plus minus delta x upon x. 1 plus minus delta y upon y. So now we are taking it this side, z plus minus delta z upon z is equal to, and here we are multiplying 1 plus minus delta x, 1 plus minus delta y, delta y upon delta x plus minus delta y upon y plus minus delta x into delta y upon xy. So the last expression here is very small because delta x and delta y is very small. So its multiplication will also be very small. So we can neglect that in comparison to the other terms. So our expression becomes 1 plus minus delta z upon z equal to 1 plus minus delta x upon x plus minus delta y upon y. So this is our expression. Here y 1 and 1 cancels from both sides. So I am rubbing from the top to continue the expressions. So the final expression now will become plus minus delta z upon z equal to plus minus delta x upon x plus minus delta y upon y. For the maximum error, delta z upon z maximum is equal to taking the positive sign, so delta x upon x plus delta y upon y. To calculate the percentage error, this is a final expression. The errors will be added. So for finding the percentage error, we have to multiply by 100. So delta z upon z maximum into 100 equal to delta x upon x plus delta y upon y into 100. So this is our final expression. This is our fractional errors, that will be the errors will be added if the two quantities are multiplied, and here is the percentage error. This is the expression for the percentage error. I think you all might have understood. Now we are going to find the quotient, the expression when the two quantities are divided. So I am rubbing the board to find it for the quotient. So it is quotient. So suppose two quantities x and y are divided, z is equal to x upon y. This is our first equation. So now applying the limiting errors, z plus minus delta z is equal to x plus minus delta x upon y plus minus delta y. So here we can arrange it and write it as z plus minus delta z is equal to x plus minus delta x, and taking this denominator in the numerator, so it will become raised to power minus 1. So now z plus minus delta z is equal to taking x common from the first bracket, so 1 plus minus delta z delta x upon x, taking y from the common from the second one, so it becomes 1 upon y because the whole bracket is raised to minus 1. So 1 plus minus delta y upon y raised to power minus 1. So now from the first equation, x upon y becomes equal to z. So putting its value, z plus minus delta z is equal to z 1 plus minus delta x upon x, 1 plus minus delta y upon y whole raised to power minus 1. So now this is the expression. I am rubbing the top expressions to continue the expressions. So it will become z plus minus delta z dividing it by z is equal to, and here we are applying the binomial theorem in the second bracket. So and neglecting the higher powers, applying the binomial theorem, so it becomes 1 plus minus delta y upon y, and neglecting the higher powers, so the expression becomes this. Now simplifying 1 plus minus delta z upon z equal to multiplying these two expressions, 1 plus minus delta y upon y plus minus delta x upon x plus minus delta x into delta y upon x into y. So here the last expression again is very small, since delta x and delta y are small, so their product will also be very small, so they can be neglected in comparison to the other terms. So neglecting the last expression and cancelling 1 from both sides, the final expression becomes plus minus delta z upon z equal to plus minus delta y upon y plus minus delta x upon x. So now taking the for the maximum error taking the positive sign, so delta z upon z maximum equal to delta x upon x plus delta y upon y. So this is our final expression. You all can note it down. I think you might have understood. Now finding the percentage error. So we have to multiply by 100. So I'm writing the top expressions to write the expression for the percentage error. So delta z upon z maximum into 100 equal to, ये रहेगा, this will become delta x upon x plus delta y upon y whole multiplied by 100. So it will become the percentage error. This will be the expression for the percentage error. So now we have found the expressions for the product and quotient also. Now we are finding the expression for error in power of a measured in power of a measured quantity we are finding. So for finding it, I am writing the expression power of measured quantity. So the power is y is equal to x raised to power m. Here, this is the expression. We have to find the error, the combination of error when there is a power in the expression. So here x is raised to power m. So taking log on both sides, it becomes log y is equal to, it will become multiplied m log x. Now differentiating it, we get delta y upon y is equal to m delta x upon x. So our final expression will become in which the power will be multiplied by the error. So this will be our final expression. And to find the percentage error, we can multiply it by 100. So I am writing this expression here for the percentage error. Delta y upon y into 100 is equal to m into delta x upon x into 100. This is the expression for the percentage error. So I think you all might have understood this. So please watch this video till the end. Subscribe me, press the bell icon. So now, thank you.